Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise, and it is control guide. You can see the dimension part here. Well, let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's start from top plane and click over normal tool. Then go to the sketch and click to this circle. Then start from this origin point and set the diameter value, and it is 30 mm. Then press enter. Click to this line and then start from this point, make it a horizontal, then click a smart dimension. Let's change for distance, and it is 110 mm. Then press enter. Then let's add for a horizontal line too from this point. Okay, let's zoom out and then click smart dimension and set for 105 mm. Then enter. Let's trim entities. Make sure time to close is selected. Then I want to remove for this unnecessary line. Then okay. Next, let's give offset entities and set value, and it is 6.5 mm. And then click to the sketch, uncheck for bidirectional, and make it the yellow sketch to outside for this sketch by click on reverse, and then apply. Well, let's connect for one to another point. So it will make for this appearance a blue, and then let's give the thickness by click of either, then go to the extrude wash. Let's set for direction 1 to mid plane and set a value for 30 mm, and then apply. Well, for the next step, let's add for this part position extrude cut. But for that, let's give the sketch 1. Click to this surface and make it a normal too. Then right click, select for the sketch. Go to this line and make it a for construction, and find for this mid point, and I want to make a vertical, and click to the circle. Just make for 2 circles, and then I want to set for their diameter value for the bigger one, and I want to set for 26 mm, and then press enter. For the smaller one, and it is 14 mm. Then give the distance 25 mm from this point to these sides. Then click to this line, start from this point, and then just length for this line, and then click for this fillet, and then from this line 5, and then click to this 1 2, and then apply. Then let's change for its radius, and I want to make it 30 mm. Then press enter. Well, let's connect from this one and connect to this one too. Well, let's give add right click then select. Let's delete for this unnecessary line from the sketch. Make sure turn to close selected. And then go to this toggle and click a straight slot. Start from this origin position and then click customer dimension, set for 12.7mm from this distance, and then enter. For the next step, let's give for the 30mm for this one too. And 20mm for this origin point to this point. Enter. Then let's click for this line and make it for construction. Start from this midpoint and connect to this one. Right click and select. Well, let's give for the offset entities and change for this value to 7mm and active for bidirectional, and then click to this line. So there are two vertical line, then apply. Let's connect one to another and then apply. Well, let's click for this feeder and then I want to extrude cut. For those one, let's from the selected contour and I want to select for this sketch and change for direction one, and I want to select for draw all, then apply. So it will cut for this body. For the next step, let's give for the double extrude cut by click to this toggle and sketch. Select for this extrude cut. Change for direction one, make it for up to next. Then for the selected contour, select for the sketch and this one too. Then apply. Well, let's give for the extrude was from the sketch by click to this toggle and sketch. Extrude was from the select contour, select for this sketch and make it for up to surface. Then click to this surface. Then apply. Well, let's add for this sketch from this surface. Click and then make a normal too. For the next one, right click and click for sketch. Let's make for two circle. Find for its midpoint. And then I want to make for two circle. For the bigger one, connect for this point. Let's give for the smart dimension for the smaller circle diameter, and it is 15mm, then press enter. Well, let's give for the thickness by click a feeder, then go to the extrude was. Just make for the same thickness and it is up to surface. Then click to the surface and then apply. Well, click to this toggle and sketch. Let's extrude cut for the sketch. From this one selected contour, from this select contour, click to this sketch and OK. Well, this part almost done, but let's give for the additional fillet from this corner or edges. Right click from this feeder, then go to fillet and set for 6mm for its radius. From this dialog box, 6mm its unit, then click to this edge and then apply. Okay. If you want to change for the isometric view, you can click the combination button, Ctrl 7. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video. If you want to find a similar tutorial, you can check my playlist, and see you on the next one.